Hello guys, this is me, Mr. Tech, or Mr. Star Tech if you want to call it. Now, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use input statements in a lot more depth. Now, and I'm also going to be showing you, probably towards the end or after I finish the input statements, I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit, but I'm going to dedicate this to another video on how to use if, else, and then elif statements. Now, when you want to do your input statements, input is asking for a user's input. Simple as that. So, let's just create a simple if statement. Input statement. So, in order to create an input statement, you can just say input, and then your blah, 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 blah. But that's not really going to get you that far. So, what I suggest to say is, I'm going to create a variable called age equals input. Oh, unexpected in that. Age equals input, and then say, what is your age? Simple as that. Now, you can ask, you can ask the user, what is your age? So, if you just print this right now, the age is like, if you say 45, it's not going to print anything. So, the reason why it's not going to print anything is that there's nothing to print. You're only printing this. There's only one line. So, in order for you to print that, you could just say, print, let's just say, nice, you are. So this is when we're going to concatenate strings. And concatenating is basically putting two strings together. Simple as that. And you can concatenate using a plus sign. Plus age plus years old. Old. So let's print this. 45. Let's just say 45 again. Nice! You're 45 years old. Now, you guys are probably saying, what the heck? There's no space in between. Now, if you guys look through this, it's all in this line. If you guys look through it, what do you find that's missing? I'll give you a couple seconds. Now, if you guys said that this is not right, you guys are wrong. But the reason why there's no space is that there's no space between the end of the string. Now, obviously, as you guys know, strings are separated by quotes, right? If there's no space right here or right here, then it's not going to add space. So you guys put 56. Blah, 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 blah. Look, 56. Okay. So that's as simple as an input statement can be, basically. But if you want to create, like, something that if you're not over a specific age, then you can't do it. So, I'll show you something right now using if statements real quick, because I want to introduce you guys into if statements into this video before I start talking about them in the other video. In the next video. Probably going to be out Sunday or somewhat. But, here's how it goes. Let's delete that. Enter your age. Okay, so user prompts with an age. Okay, you could say, okay, if age is great, I'm going to make up an error, see if you guys can fix this, is greater than or equal to 35. Let's say 35. Now, this is an error that I'm making. I want you guys to see if you guys can fix it. Then print you are old enough to vote. Okay, simple as that. So, when you're going to print this, you're obviously going to get an error. 45. Traceback most recent call last. If age is not equal to 35. So, it gives you the line 3. That there's an error. Type error. No, string. So, it can't concatenate a string and an integer is what it's basically saying. And in order to fix that, we just use this. Watch. INC. Done. Now, we got it. 45. You are old enough to vote. Now, this is as basic as I'm going to get into this. I'm going to be talking about syntax on if statements a lot in depth than this video. This video is just to show you, like, introduce you into this, because you can do so much with if statements and input statements. It's unbelievable. I made an adventure game just by using input statements and if statements. It was really cool. Now, what the hell is happening here? But statement. But that's as simple as it is. I'm gonna keep this video short. Stay hacking and stay coding. This is Mr. Tech, Mr. Sharp Tech, if you want to get technical. See you guys in the next video. Make sure to like and